Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Chemistry. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and the 9 units of content. Next, ensure you have a strong grasp of basic chemistry principles before diving into advanced topics. Your textbook and class notes are invaluable resources. Use them to reinforce learning and clarify any uncertainties you may have. This solid foundation is crucial for success. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate time each day to solving a variety of problems, from multiple choice to complex calculations. Don't just memorize, understand the underlying concepts. Also, thoroughly review all laboratory experiments, focusing on data analysis and conclusions. Finally, examine past free response questions to identify common themes and question styles, which will help you anticipate what to expect. Consider forming a study group with peers to discuss difficult concepts and explain them to each other. Teaching is a powerful learning tool. Supplement your studies with reputable online resources, such as Khan Academy, and consider purchasing an AP Chemistry review book for additional practice. Creating flashcards for essential vocabulary, formulas, and reactions will also significantly aid your memorization. As the exam approaches, take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps build stamina and manage your time effectively. After each practice test, meticulously review your answers to pinpoint areas where you need more work. Focus your remaining study time on strengthening those weaker topics. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other helpful deals. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and you'll do great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.